Have you ever needed Excel to display numbers in words, like converting 1250 into 1250? Or 365 to 365? In today's video, I'll show you a quick VBA trick to make that happen in just a few minutes. Hello friends. In this video we will see, if we need to convert numbers to words, then how can we do this? To do this, first of all, I will type equal to number, and as you can see I don't get any suggestion to convert number to words. Similarly, you would also be not getting this option, because Excel doesn't give you any ability to convert number into words. Now, I will tell you how to enable this functionality. First of all, you need to open a file. The link of this file is in description. Just copy that file path and open it in any browser. As soon as file opens, you will see the code like this. Select the whole code by pressing Ctrl+A and copy it. After copying, go back to Excel, and then right-click in Sheet tab and select View Code. You can do this with keyboard short Alt plus F11 as well. This will open a code window. Now you need to click on Insert menu and click on Module option. Paste the copied code here and close this window and go back to your Excel. Now, let's try by pressing equal to and type number, and you can see number towards function is available in the suggestion. Just select it, and select the cell and close the parenthesis and hit enter. Boom, your number is converted into the words. You can copy the formula in all the cells and you can see that all numbers are converted into words. That's all in this video. Make sure to download the full VBA code from the link in the description, try it in your own sheet, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you find this video helpful, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment sections. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.